Wade Yellow situation for the rollers. What a start to the day. Wade Yellows, please. Wade Yellows, the drivers need to slow right down, single file, no overtaking down, right down now. They need to slow. One of them's been rolled over. Let's wait for the other one. Back on to the track. And it's 651 indeed on turn number 4. There's 195.
Fantastic effort from Peter Bowley. A
regular here for the Reliance during the season. And we're just waiting to see if 651 can get jump started once again. He's got a mate down there just pushing him into action on turn number 4. Good stuff there from that driver. So we're going to keep the Wade Yellows going, and then soon we'll be ready to go green once more. So once again we say it's over to you, Ms. Starter, for the resumption of Reliant Robin. He won. Here they come now. They put their foot down on the exit of turn number 4. And there's the green flag. So 551 resumes in the race lead. Brett Jackson down the home straight with 27. Oh, slipping and sliding round the track. 363 picks up one of them on the exit of turn 4, but not quite managed to roll it. 158 Shane Davis gets followed straight in on the top end. He's been picked up once again though by 702, but this time it's got to be, and we've got a roller on turn 2. Roller on turn number 2. Wade Yellows once again. So no overtaking, absolutely single file, slow right down as we are in, another roller halfway round the top end, and they're meant to be going slow. So Red Bull's in trouble on the top end. Oh, but he's managed to put himself back on 3 wheels all on his own. And does 27. So Andrew Donovan is back in the race, as is Red Bulls, and we are soon to be going once again as we continue under the Wade Yellows. You'll be seeing that a lot today with the Reliant Robins. We go straight to Wade Yellows when there's a roller, we put them back on their 3 wheels, and we race once again. So, 551, Brett Jackson is still the race leader, but he's got 103. The DD winner from last year at Arena Essex, Paul Foreman. So Red Bulls is onto the top then banking, so he's not going to be taking any more part in this one, but I'm sure we'll see him back out in the final and the all-comers DD as well. So there's the green flag, 27's a lap down, but 551, Brett Jackson is the race leader, but here comes 103. On the inside line round the top end. Oh, 158 piles into the side of 851. And another 2 rollers, 363, Brian Jarvis does it. Wade Yellows now. Wade Yellows for those 2 on the top end who have rolled it. Let's see if they can get themselves back on the wheels by themselves. One of them is certainly having a good old go. He's getting some help now. There we go, back onto the 3 wheels. And here comes the other one. Yes, so we are ready to go again. We're under Wade Yellows, and we will get the greens in just a second. There it goes at 103. Paul Foreman is your leader from 551 in second place. 360. Brian Jarvis picks up 851. There goes through our leader. 103 from 551 in second position as we are halfway there now, Sharon. 103, Paul Foreman leads the way from 551. Brett Jackson Jackson, 195. 195 lap down, so it's 59 Steve Bolton who is in third position. Number 15, is he? No! No! So Jay Powell survived. 103 your leader. So we watch 158. Shane Davis get nudged onto the middle going down the back straight. 103 Paul Foreman your leader. 551 Brett Jackson in second. Number 59 Steve Bolton in third place. It's hard to know where to look with just 2 laps to go next time for our race leader, 103 Paul Foreman. But he's picked up someone going down the back straight, but he leaves him alone. So 103 still leads with 551, Brett Jackson close in tow as they exit turn number 4 with 2 laps remaining. 103 and 551 your leaders. Here comes 363, Brian Jarvis. Oh! And he nearly puts 851 over once again. Into the wall on the coming turn. 363. Oh my goodness. Brian Jarvis is back on 3 wheels. But there he goes. He's over. Number 27. And we're going to go checking the red flags, What a fantastic piece of entertainment. And still 3 more Reliant Robin races to come. I can hardly cope. What a race win there for Paul Foreman in the Reliant Robins heat number 1.
Alors, la pailletica qui va rentrer. Alors, c'est fini.